police here.
It's the third largest car insurance company, isn't it? Things like that.
Of course. I don't get carried away.
Yeah, all right. As long as we don't overdo it.